Hello and welcome to this video for Blackboard Learn. Today we're going to take a look at Smart Views in the Grade Center for Blackboard. So you can find the Smart Views button by highlighting the Manage button and going to Smart Views. But before we start taking a look at the Smart Views, I wanted to point out a few things. So if you're in Blackboard by default and you scroll down on your menu, scroll down here, and you go to your Grade Center, you're going to see a few things. First, you'll see this Needs Grading. You'll see the full Grade Center. And then indented, you'll notice Assignments and Tests. Well, these assignments and tests, those are Smart Views. So those are just all the assignments or all the tests in a particular Grade Center that you might want to display if you clicked one of those. Full Grade Center would display all the columns in the Grade Center. But maybe you wanted to create your own Smart Views based off your own criteria. Well, you can totally do that. So here I am in the Blackboard Grade Center. I'll go to the Manage button and I'll click on Smart Views. Now right off the bat, you're going to see the different Smart Views that are already set up on the system. Now you can't delete the system Smart Views, but you can delete the ones that you have. But one thing that you can note is that right here, you'll notice there's a green button that I can deselect. If I deselect those, and I'm going to hit the refresh over here, scroll down, and those two Smart Views will disappear. So this is really your management screen for turning on and off Smart Views, or a quick way to access the Smart Views that you want to take a look at. So to add a Smart View, it's easy as clicking the Create Smart View button, giving it a name. So for example, we might want to call one Essays. Okay, so you have essay in there. And so you can automatically add it as a favorite, so it would just put that star on there for you. If you click this box, I'll go ahead and do that. And then in section 2, you have the ability to figure out what the criteria is going to be so that you can have that Smart View. So do you want to do it based on groups? You can do it based on the performance on particular columns. You could also do it based on just users, so you can only show certain users and all the columns in the Grade Center. You can do it based off categories and status, as well as some sort of custom query. So for today's demo, let's just break up a class by user and columns. So I will do it by user, and I can go through this list, and if I'm holding Control on the keyboard, if I'm on a PC, or Command on a Mac, you can go through this list and pick just various users. So for the sake of the demo, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do users 10, 11, 12, 15, and we'll do anybody that has a 2 digits in their number side. And then the columns that I want those ones to see are, and you can break it down by these different categories, but I'm just going to do all columns at this particular stage. So once I hit submit, you're going to have a new Smart View, and so there it is, my essay Smart View with the added on the favorite, and automatically it's going to be down in this list. So what's going to happen now is if I click on that particular Smart View, it's going to bring in the users I selected and all the columns in the Grade Center. So by going to the Smart Views, you have a lot of options of how you want to display a specific snapshot of your Grade Center. So you can set up various custom ones by just creating that Smart View and playing around with the various criteria that you can set up. And that concludes this video for Blackboard Learn.